वेलकम टू जेनिथ कोचिंग क्लास। जेनिथ कोचिंग क्लास में आप लोगों को फिर से स्वागत है। कैसे हैं आप लोग चिल्ड्रन? अच्छे हैं? मैं भी अच्छी हूँ। तो हर रोज आप लोग का साथ मेरा मुलाकात होते रहते हैं, लेकिन पढ़ाई के जरिए थे। ये तो अच्छी तरह से गॉसिपिंग किया, चैटिंग करने ये तो जगह नहीं है ना। तो चलो हम लोग पढ़ाई करते हैं। सो लास्ट में हम लोग क्या सीखे? Heights and distances of class 10, you know. So today is the concluding part. You have seen the question. That is a lengthy question, and here is the diagram. So where I will write the answer. The question is lengthy, but not so tough. Again, I am telling you, not so tough. Okay. So what I have to take at first. So please like my videos and share to your friends and subscribe my channel. एंड प्लीज कमेंट कीजिए आपका कमेंट बॉक्स के जरिए थे कि आप लोगों को मैं अच्छी तरह से सम सिखा सकूं, क्योंकि ये जो चैप्टर है ना, ये बहुत सारे सम्स है। हाँ, एक साथ सिखाना बहुत मुश्किल है। मुश्किल भी नहीं, नामुमकिन है ना। किसका डायलॉग है ये? शाहरुख खान का। आप लोग मूवी देखते हैं ना? अच्छा, मैं तो शाहरुख खान का बहुत ही फैन हूँ, लेकिन आजकल तो आप लोग वेब सीरीज देखते हैं ना। वेब सीरीज अच्छा लगता है। सो नेटफ्लिक्स में तो ये देखा जाता है और हॉटस्टार में भी देखा जाता है ना। सो आप लोग को पसंद है तो सब कुछ देखना चाहिए, खेलना चाहिए, फ्री फायर भी खेलना चाहिए, मूवी भी देखना चाहिए, पढ़ाई भी करना चाहिए। ठीक है? सो स्टार्ट द क्लास एंड लाइक माय वीडियो प्लीज। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। अ पर्सन स्टैंडिंग on the bank of a river observes that the angle of elevation of the top of a tree standing on the opposite bank is 60 degree. Here is 60 degree and here is 30 degree. Okay, when he moves 40 meter away from the bank, from here to it is 40 meter. Okay, 40 meter away from the bank. From the bank, that then the angle of elevation is 30 degree. So angle of elevation is 30 degree. Find the height of the tree and the width of the river. Okay, so height of the tree and width of the river. Let width of the river be x meter. Okay, so here is the height of the tree. So here is the tree and the man is standing here at the angle of 60 degree. Now when he moves away from C, that is up to D, it is 30 degree. Okay, so here are two angles, 60 degree and 30 degree, and it is a triangle ABC. Here is B is 90 degree, you know. Here is B equals to 90 degree and it is 30 degree. Sorry, it is 60 degree and here is 30 degree. Okay, whenever you go further, that is angle is decreasing, 60 degree, 30 degree, 15 degree, so on. Okay, so what I have to say, that is let the width of the river be x meter. Okay, so this is height and base, you know, that is you have to take tan theta. Tan theta means AB by BC, height by base equals to tan 60 degree. So in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, AB by BC equals to h by x equals to tan 60 degree. What is the value of tan 60 degree? Equals to root over 3. You know, I should not write like this, but here space is so small, no, that's why I am writing this way. Okay, don't write this way. You have to write in the next line. So h by x equals to root 3. So h is equals to root 3x. Okay, here is the value. Then h is equals to root 3x. Okay, now I am erasing the question, no, at first, because there is no space there. Okay, so now he is going up to 40 meter from the point of C and its position is D. Okay, so now base is x plus 40. Now base is x plus 40 and height is the same. Then how do we solve the sum? प्लीज थोड़ा मुझे सपोर्ट कीजिए, मैं क्या अच्छी तरह से आप लोगों को सिखा सकूं. ओके, दैट इज योर रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड माय रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी यू दैट इज टीच यू द सम प्रॉपर्ली. ओके, सो नाउ in triangle ABD, handwriting is very good, you know. Okay, so AB by BD, AB by BD equals to H by 40 plus X, H by 40 plus X, that is X here, and total base is 40 plus X. Okay, and so what I have write, I have to write that is AB by BD. AB is H, so H by 40 plus X equals to tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree. What is the value of tan 30 degree? You know, tan 30 degree, the value of tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Okay, so we will substitute the value of tan 30 degree. That is H. H is now root over 3x. So why I am writing root over 3x? I am not writing H because here is x and here you also substitute the value of x. So it's the same here. So this is H is unknown, x is unknown. So we no need to take two unknown digits. Okay, so we are writing root over 3x. So root over 3x by 40 plus x equals to tan 30 means 1 by root 3. Okay, 1 by root 3. Now you have to just cross multiplication is there. Root 3 into root 3x. Root 3 multiplied by root 3 is what? 3. So 3x equals to 40 plus x. So x come here x. So 3x minus x equals to 40. So 3x minus x equals to 40. So 2x equals to 40. Okay, 2x equals to 40 means x equals to 40 by 2. X equals to 20. So width of the river is 20 meter. Width of the river is, I am not writing, 20 meter. Now what is the height of the tree? You know, height of the tree is h. H means root 3x. Okay, so I am writing here. So height of the tree, that is h. H equals to root over 3x. So root over 3 multiplied by 20, that is 20 root 3. Okay, so you have to write 20 root 3. 20 root 3, you will take the value. What is the value of root 3? That is root 3 is 1.732. Therefore 120 into 1.732. There is no space there. So 20 into 1.732. So you will just multiply and that is the answer. That is the height of the tree. So you have to take the first. I am telling you again. That is height of the tree is h and base is x. That is width of the river is x. So angle equals to angle of elevation equals to 60 degree. So in triangle ABC, height by base equals to tan 60. So height is h and base is x. So h by x equals to tan 60 degree. That is root 3. Okay. So you will take the value of x. That is 20. Now in case of triangle ABD, here is tan 30 degree. So 1 by root 3. So height by base equals to tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Now you know height equals to root 3x. So root 3x by 40 plus x. Why 40 plus x? Because it was x and it was 40. So BD equals to 40 plus x. So 40 plus x equals to 1 by root 3. That is tan 30 degree. Value of tan 30 degree. You know. So 3x equals to 40 plus x. That is cross multiplication here. This cross multiplication here. So root 3 equals to 3x equals to 40 plus x. So 3x minus x equals to 40 and then x equals to 20. Now we substitute the value of the value of x. So h equals to root 3x that we have written at first. So equals to 20 root 3. So what is the value of root 3? The value of root 3 is 1.732. So 20 multiplied by 1.732 meter, whatever the answer, that is correct. Okay, let's observe the sum. Children, let's move to the next sum. Here is also a lengthy question for you. In the chapter height and distance, all the questions are so lengthy. Okay, in the exam, you have to concentrate. In the question, you have to read the question 2 or 3 times. Otherwise, the sum can be the mistake you can do. Okay, so let's study. A girl 1.5 meter tall, standing at some distance from a 30 meter high tower. Standing at the here, she is standing here. A girl standing here that is 1.5 meter tall from a, that is a tower. Tower is 30 meter long. So, ma'am, why have written 28.5 meter? That I'll teach you later. Okay, the distance from a 30 meter high tower. The angle of elevation from her eye, that is from here, from her eye to the top of the tower increases from 30 degree to 60 degree. That means she at first her initial position was at G and final position was at D. Okay. So her eye to the top of the tower increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as she walks towards the tower. Find the distance she walked towards the tower. So she is walking from here to here. She is walking from E to F. Okay. So I am writing here 28.5 meter because her height is 1.5 meter. So here is also 1.5 meter. So from her eye, that is height and this is negligible. So from her eye means 1.5 meter from here. So I have drawn a dotted line here. That is from here is the angle. So that is her height is 1.5 meter and so tower's height is 30 meter minus 1.5 meter, that is 28.5 meter from her eye. So we have to take the height of the tower is 28.5 meter. You know. So we'll deal with 28.5 meter. I'm not writing here, but you have to write. So that is what is given. You have to write at first. Then you will start the sum. Okay. So I'm writing here the height of the tower. That is given. The height of the tower, H-E-I-G-H, height of the tower is 30 meter. Okay. The girl's height is 1.5 meter. So height of the H-G-H, the height of the tower from her eye equals to 30 meter minus 1.5 meter, that is 28.5 meter. Understood? What I have written? Why I have written 28.5 meter? So here is the answer, 28.5 meter. Okay, I am erasing here. No. Now, that is in triangle ABF. Deal with the triangle ABF. Okay, I am erasing. Then I will write. So please like my videos and subscribe my channel. I am telling you again and again. So please support me and motivate me to teach you with a great care and concentration. Okay. So in triangle what? ABF. So height by base. Here base equals to, let's y. Okay, so DC, that is that is the point. Final position is 60 degree. That is she was y meter at the distance. Okay, y meter away from the tower. So in triangle BCD. In triangle BCD, sorry, not ABF, BCD. We are not taking this. we are taking the dotted lines. Okay, so BCD, in triangle BCD. Okay, so height by base. Height by base is y. Height by base equals to tan 60 degree. What is the value is tan 60 degree? Equals to root 3. So height is 28.5 by y equals to root 3. So y equals to 28.5 by root 3 meter. Here in triangle, this is a triangle of this. Now you will take the bigger triangle. Okay. Now in triangle BCG. In triangle, now in triangle BCG. BCG. Okay. It is also height by base, that is tan 30 degree. So height is 28.5. Height by, that is 28.5. I am writing directly. Okay. 28.5 by x plus y. X plus y. Because it is the distance y and there is the distance x. So you will write here in the, when you will let x and y. At first you have to write. Here space is a little no. That's why I am not writing let x, let y. So it is the distance he walked. No, it is the distance he walked. Okay. So 28.5 by x plus y equals to tan 30 degree equals to 1 by root 3. Now x plus y equals to 28.5 multiplied by root 3 implies that x plus y equals to 28.5 root 3. Now you know the value of y. Yes, you know the value of y. What is the value of y? Value of y is 28.5 by root 3. So we are writing here x plus 28.5 by root 3 equals to 28.5 root 3. Okay. Now so x equals to 28.5 root 3 minus 28.5 by root 3. Okay. So root 3 is the LCM. Root 3 is the LCM. So x equals to root 3 is the LCM. Now 28.5 root 3 multiplied by root 3, that is multiplied by 3 minus 28.5. Okay. So again I am rubbing here. This is a very lengthy sum, no? Height and distance, the sums are lengthy. So x equals to root 3 is the denominator. Root 3 is the denominator. Now here is 28.5 is common. 28.5 is common. That is root 3. So 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1. Okay. That is 2. 28.5 multiplied by 2. But here is, you have to rationalize the number. So what to do? Now root 3 multiplied by root 3. Here is also multiplied root 3. So that is, here is 3. So in the denominator it is 3. And numerator 28.5 into 2 into root 3. So 3, that is 3 9 is 27, 1.5, that is 29.5. So 9.5 into 2, that is 9.5 into 19.0, that is 19. 19 root 3. No, 19 root 3, that is root 3. What is the value of root 3? Value of root 3 is 1.732. That is 19 multiplied by 1.732. So what is the value of it? You will multiply, then you will get the answer. Okay, that is 32 point, not erasing properly, 32.92908. Ma'am, you know the answer? Yes, I have calculated previously. No, that is, you can write 32.9. Okay, 32.9 meters. So x, that is value of x is 32.9 meter approximately. So what is x? Now she walked 32.9 meter from her initial position to final position. Okay, from the elevation of 30 degree to 60 degree. Okay, let's observe the sum. We'll go to the next sum. Children, come to the third sum. Okay, here is the diagram of the sum. There are two triangles here. No, that is, here is 60 degree and there is 30 degree. And from A to C, the distance is 100 meter. We don't know what is the value of this part and this part. So we are taking AP, that is x meter. So PC equals to 100 minus x meter, that we have considered. So two pillars of equal height. So its height, that is BA equals to DC. Heights are the same of the two, both the pillars height same. Okay, and on either side of the road, that is road is 100 meter wide. That is either side of the road. Here is the one side of the road and that is situated other side of the road. Okay, and on the either side of the road, which is 100 meter wide, the angle of elevation of the top of the pillars are 60 degree and 30 degree at a point. Point is let P. At a point on the road between the pillars. Between the two pillars, here is the point P. And there is the angle of elevation is here 60 degree and from there that is 30 degree. Okay. And the point between the two pillars. Find the position of the point. So, where is the point? Position, P का position कहाँ है? Find the position of the point between the pillars and height of each pillars. तो pillars का ऊंचाई कितना होता है ये आपको देखना है. कैसे देखे? सम करके देखे. So again I am telling you, height of the pillars are both, the height of the pillars are the same, and here is the angle 60 degree and now here is the angle 30 degree, and width of the road is 100 meter, and AP, that is where is angle of elevation equals 60 degree, that we don't know the base, we consider it as x, and where is also we don't know the base, so base is 100 minus x, it is x, so it is 100 minus x, and height is h. Now take in the case of two triangles. Okay, so in triangle ABP, in triangle ABP, what is the full form of ABP? You don't know. ABP in Bengali it is called Anando Bajar Putrika, that is daily newspaper. That is a very common newspaper and very reputed newspaper in all India, Bengali newspaper. That is called Anando Bajar Putrika, ABP. Okay, so I'm telling you just. So in triangle ABP, now height by base, that is h by x. H by x equals to tan 60 degree. Okay, so h by x, what's the value of tan 60? You know now. H by x equals to root over 3. Okay, h by x is root over 3. And here in triangle DPC, in triangle DPC, Delhi Public School, I am telling about Delhi Public School. Okay, DPC, that is also height by base. So height by 100 minus x, 100 minus x equals to tan 30 degree, that is tan 30 degree. So what is the value of tan 30 degree? That is h by 100 minus x equals to 1 by root 3. Okay, so now using the sum here, otherwise no space is there. No, the sum, the equation is, sum is not lengthy, question is very lengthy. No. Okay, now I'm erasing the sum here. So we'll take the first part now, then we will come to the second part. So h by x equals to root 3. So h is equals to root 3x. Now here is h is equals to this is the first part. Okay. Now is the second part. H by 100 minus x equals to 1 by root 3. That is h equals to, implies that h equals to 100 minus x by root 3. 100 minus x by root 3. So here is h equals to root 3x and here is h equals to 100 minus x by root 3. So h equals to h, that is value is the same. So according to the problem, root 3x equals to 100 minus x by root 3. No, here is h and here is h also. So root 3 multiplied by root 3, that is root 3 multiplied by root 3. Directly I am writing 3x. Root 3 multiplied by root 3 is 3 and here is x. So equals to 100 minus x. So now 3x minus x here, so plus x. So 3x plus x equals to 100. So 4x equals to 100. Now x equals to, I am not writing, x equals to 25 here. Okay, x equals to 100 by 4, that is 25. So here x is 25, that is P is at the distance of 25 meter apart. Okay, so 100 minus x is 100 minus 25, that is 75. So AP equals to 25 and PC equals to 75 meter. So what is the height? You know height, that is, put the value here. You will not write in the exam paper like this. No, I am writing here. So you know, now you know the value of x is 25. So here is, that is h equals to root over 3x, that is h equals to root over 3 multiplied by 25, that is 25 multiplied by 1.732. Okay, what's the value of this? That is 25 into 1.732 meter. Whatever it may be, come the decimal number. Okay, that is the height of the tower. Each tower. Here is, and both the towers are the same height. So 25 multiplied by 1.732 meter. Okay, that is the answer. So children, आज एक क्लास मैं कंप्लीट करती हूँ, लेकिन बहुत सारे सम बाकी रह गए हैं. एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन, एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन. सो इफ यू वांट टू नो, लेट मी नो बाय द कमेंट बॉक्स. सो मैं आप लोगों को सिखा सकती हूँ कि और भी बहुत सारे सम्स है हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस का, आर नॉट सो टफ. सो प्लीज लेट मी नो, देन आई विल टेक अनदर क्लास एंड आई विल टीच यू अगेन. सो प्लीज कमेंट करके मुझे बताइए कि आप लोग को कौन सा सम चाहिए सीखने के लिए, तो मैं जरूर वो सम सिखा दूंगी. एंड चिल्ड्रन ऑफ क्लास 8 and 9, you are repeatedly asking me to take your class. So please wait. I'll take the class in the next week. That is trigonometrical. No, trigonometrical identities I taught you. That is algebraic. That is lesson. You told me okay. I'll see. Then I'll teach you the lesson. And class 7 students, that is students of KV. You are again and again telling me that is, मैम मुझे रैशनल नंबर सिखाइए. ठीक है, सो आई विल टेक द क्लास ऑफ रैशनल नंबर्स. ओके, सो बाय, गुड नाइट.